Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious baked fish pie. So if this looks like what you're interested in, keep watching. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So to a pot, I'll be adding my cleaned mackerel fish, and next I'll be adding seasoning cubes, salt and curry powder, then with some chopped onions, and the next I'll be adding on is water. I want to add enough water to cook this, and next I'll cover that to cook till it's tenderly cooked, okay, or about 5 minutes or 7 minutes or part. So next, into my fry pan, I'm going to do some oil. Make sure the oil is not too much, okay. Then I'll be adding some chopped onion and saute that for about a minute. And the next I'll be adding is my shredded carrot, and I'll be adding some chopped pepper as well, or blended pepper, okay. And if you don't like pepper, you can skip that part, all right. So next I'll be adding some seasoning and salt, and make sure you don't over season this, okay, so that you don't have funny taste at the end of the day, but just make sure you do that to your taste, okay. Then next I'll be adding my shredded and deboned fish. You can use any fish of your choice. If you are the type that don't like mackerel fish, you can choose any type of fish you want to use as your filling, all right. Then I'm going to let that cook for some while. Then I'll be adding my scallion, that's the spring onion part or something. Then next I'm going to stir fry that also for about a minute or two, and when it's nicely done, I'm going to set that aside to cool, okay. And to make the dough, I'm going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, nutmeg, salt and sugar. I will list the ingredients in the description box below, okay. You can check that out. So here I'm making use of 4 tablespoons of butter, and the reason is because I don't have enough butter at home, but you can use up to 250 grams, that's a quarter kilo of butter for this recipe if you are using the bake method. And also I'll be adding egg and water to the mixture, then mix well to combine. You can as well use milk if that is what you prefer, but don't add too much, okay. Then next I'll be adding more water as well, because what I added was not enough. Then make sure to use, I think I use less than a cup, just a little bit above half cup of water for this. Then I'm going to mix that to combine, then set aside for about 15 minutes to rest. And after that I came back to it, and I'll be cutting that into smaller pieces. And after getting the desired pieces that I want, I'm just going to go ahead to roll each pieces out, okay, just like the way I'm doing here. Make sure you dust some flour on your work surface, okay. Then after I've gotten the desired wideness that I want, I'm just going to go ahead to cut the shape out. You can use any shape of your choice, but if you are following this, you can use maybe round plate or whatever that can form the shape for you. Then after that is done, I'm going to add my filling, then cover up with another the cutout I've already made, okay. Then design the edges with fork, just the way I'm doing here, all right. Can you see how nice it is and how easy it is for me to pull this up? And it's because the dough is not sticky, so it makes the work very easy, okay. And this is another badge I'm just trying to show you. And if you have any gadget that can form this easily, there's some gadgets you can use like that, okay. You can make use of that as well. I'm going to poke some holes into the dough just to make the baking easy. Then I'm going to go ahead with some egg wash, and I'm going to let that bake in a preheated oven for 40 to 50 minutes or even more, depending on your oven, okay. And guys, this is what we have. This is so good. It looks so good and tastes very delicious as well. So it's a bit crispy because I use less butter here, so you can use the measurements I suggested earlier, okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.